Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I am going to be deep cleaning the bedroom. I have extra clothes here that I need to put away, and over here I just sit here and do my makeup, so that's why I have that right there. It's not too bad, honestly, but I do need to just get in here and clean the space. And with it being allergy season, I want to make sure the air in my home is always clean. So I have this new advanced air purifier with a true HEPA filter from Levoit. They are kindly sponsoring today's video. This will be my third air purifier from them. I have a large one in my kitchen, and then I have a small one in my son's room because he suffers from allergies. Before you use the product, you do want to remove the filter from its plastic bag. If you do want to control your filter with your phone, you do have to download the VSync app and follow the steps in the manual to set it up. All you have to do is hold down the power button on your purifier for a few seconds to enable the Wi-Fi setting. The options to connect using Wi-Fi will pop up in the VSync app, and all you have to do is connect it. All of the features are really easy to understand. You can set timers and control the fan speed, or you can just use the auto mode. It's quiet, so you can run it at night without disturbing your sleep. If you don't want to connect it with your phone, you don't have to. All of the same features are on the top of the purifier. So you have the fan speed button. The sleep button turns off the display and uses an extra quiet low fan speed. This one is the filter indicator and reset button. Here is the timer and the on off button. This one is the display button, and this button turns the display off. So if you want to have your purifier running but you don't want the lights to glow, then you can just turn it off and it'll still be working. And the last button is auto mode, and it senses the condition of your air and automatically adjusts the fan speed to clean your air properly. The advanced technology on this traps and eliminates pet and cooking odors. It also uses a laser dust sensor to scan the room for airborne particles. I absolutely love this air purifier, and I will have it linked if you want to get your hands on it, guys. Alright, so now it's time to get this room nice and clean. I am going to remove all of my bedding and put it in the wash, and just remove all of the stuff on my nightstands and just start cleaning the room. So I hope you guys enjoy watching. So in this bag, I have a ton of clothes that I plan to donate, but I'm just going to go through the bag one more time because there are some pieces that I want to keep and use as a cover up for my bikinis. So this black cardigan I can easily use as a cover up, and also this two-piece set. I do want to use the bottom of it as a wrap dress for my bikini. And then I have some items in here that I want to turn into doll clothes for my daughter. I think this top here is so cute. It's really itchy though, but I love all of the ruffles on it, so we're gonna cut it up later and make some really cute doll clothes. But I do need to add more items to this bag because I need to purge my closet some more. So just gonna put this aside until I am done completely purging. So here are the items I'm going to be using in this video. Well, some of the items, I forgot to put one in here, but you'll see it in a second when I'm cleaning my windows. But I have my favorite all-purpose cleaner by Method, and then I have this glass cleaner from Dollar Tree. It's the only one I had on hand. It's definitely not my favorite, but it'll do for now. So it's been a while since I've cleaned the windowsill, and you can see it's very dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and tackle with that. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this LA's Totally Awesome. I get this from Dollar Tree and does a really good job cleaning. It says on the back that you can't use it for your windowsill, so this is what I like to use with a toothbrush. And then I have some water here to just rinse it all off.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn to morning dew, then you the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place.
So one thing I did forget to do is vacuum before putting the nightstand on that side back. So I am going to move it when I'm done with this side. But since I've been like working back here and wiping up dust and stuff, pretty sure some of it fell on the carpet. So just kind of vacuum it up.
dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys on the street. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes. You're nothing more than silverware.
So I am using a length roller on the mattress because that blanket left behind so much length is shedding like crazy. So I am just rolling it up before I put my bedding back on.
You don't get that I see through this facade that surrounds you. Growing up takes time, so don't you waste mine. You and me ain't right. I'm wearing gold. You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes. You're nothing more than silverware. I'm over you, so done with you. I'm over you, so done with you. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes. You're nothing more than silverware.
Alright guys, I am done cleaning the bedroom and I did not style my bed. If you want to see how I style my bed with like my accent pillows and stuff, then you can click on this link above, or you can just, maybe I'll put the link in the description box or try to pin it in the comments. But I do have a video showing you how I make my bed from start to finish, but I'm not gonna do that in this video because I am about to get in this bed and watch TV. It is Friday. I am done with homeschooling, and what I like to do every Friday is just relax because homeschooling is stressful. So on Fridays, I like to take that time for myself and just relax. So I am not about to put all of those pillows on the bed just to take them right back off as soon as I turn off this camera. I am gonna get some dinner going, you know, make sure the kids are good and fed, and then I'm gonna come in here and just relax for the rest of the night. And I decided not to put back any of the decor because I do want to make some changes in here. I have some new bedding coming in next week, so yeah, I'll be showing you guys that. But I am going to make some changes. I want to like shop my home, switch out the lamps and maybe the rug, don't know yet. But I was thinking about putting this one in the living room and then putting the one that's in the dining room in here, just to, you know, switch it up because I'm bored and I just want to make some changes. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Oh, it just got super dark on you guys, sorry. But yeah, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.